Today we're going to show you the lights and sound setup for this wedding event. For this event, we handled the sound system for the ceremony and both the lights and sound for the reception, all using just one main gear, the Soundcraft Ui16 digital mixer. In this video, we'll walk you through how we placed our equipment around the venue to properly cover the entire area with clear sound and well-balanced lighting. We'll also explain what gear we're using and the function of each piece of equipment in our setup. And before we jump in, if you have time, please subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. For today's service, we're using this Suzuki multicab. We're working with a basic setup, but as you can see, it still gets the job done. This multicab has a service space measuring 7 feet in length, 4 feet in width, and 4 feet in height. Despite its compact size, it can carry the necessary equipment efficiently. As shown in this video, the Suzuki multicab is reliable, practical, and perfect for handling our service needs. So in venues like this, we usually use a service push cart. It makes moving our equipment way easier since it's on wheels, and it's super durable. Definitely a big help. I'm placing the Soundcraft Ui16 close to the speakers and near the window. This minimizes the length of patch cables, reducing signal loss and cable clutter. Placing it here also helps optimize Wi-Fi coverage for both indoor and outdoor areas. With a more centralized Wi-Fi position, I can move around the venue with a stable connection and make real-time sound adjustments when needed. As you can see, there's a door located behind the speakers. Don't worry, this door has limited access. I'm placing the speaker here to keep the equipment safe from foot traffic and to help prevent any accidents with guests. After checking the power source, this location also works well because the outlet is nearby. It reduces the need for additional power extensions and helps keep the setup clean and safe. Next, I carefully lay out the XLR cables for the speaker signals and the lighting. I usually route the cables through areas where they're not visible and where no one can step on them. This helps prevent cable damage and accidents, and it also minimizes the risk of signal loss during the program. A clean and neatly organized setup is always a good indicator of a professional sound man. Next, I'm preparing for the outdoor signal setup. I'm laying out a 30-meter snake cable, also known as a stage box. This stage box has 12 channels in total, 8 female inputs and 4 male outputs, which gives us enough flexibility for microphones and signal returns for the outdoor area.
Yung butas! Ano saan? Lagay mo sa letter A. Excellent. Lagay mo dito. Mark ka kulay. Tapos dalhin mo dun sa
Ano number ko?
number 1. Isa pa.
Sinasabi ko lang, ay, layo-layo mo te, kasi pag hinangin na, magiging ano ko. Nedo ka lang puro pagilid, para yung gitna hindi mo sasabuyan sila.
Ligo na ako, sabay ka ba?
Check.
The Soundcraft Ui16 digital mixer comes with a built-in DBX AFS2, or Advanced Feedback Suppression. This feature automatically detects and eliminates feedback frequencies during a performance by using both fixed and dynamic live filters. It basically acts as sonic insurance for live sound, helping keep the system stable and feedback-free throughout the event.
Check.
Check sound, testing, mic check. Slow, taas. Taas pa to. Hey. Check, hey, sound check. Check, hey. Hey. Check sound, testing, mic check. Hello, sound, testing, mic check. Taas mo to. Hey, sound, testing, mic check. Testing, mic check, hey, sound check. Testing, mic check, hey.
We managed to set up a wedding ceremony and reception quickly using just one piece of gear, the Soundcraft Ui16 digital mixer. No need to transfer equipment or do another setup, which makes transitions from ceremony to reception much easier. I also recommend learning how to set up your microphones before the event to prevent feedback during the program. I hope you picked up some tips and advice from this video. If you liked it, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel to help me grow this page. And of course, a big thank you to my followers for supporting every video I upload.
Kita ang ebidensya. Diyos ang Diyosa. Yun. And si Ella, kapag nariyan, isang simbolo na hindi ka nais pabayaan ng Diyos at hindi ka nais iwan ng Diyos. Yan ang simbolo ng isang babae sa buhay ng mga lalaki. You know, Aldrin, we have at least 7...
Thank you so much, Auntie Raj. Please line up lang po sa
mamay ay mag-line up lang po tayo, yung mga entourage po. Dito po sa may green carpet. Line up lang po kayo dyan.
I hope you're having a great day. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you and God bless.
Dami na naman uwi ni Snoop. Patayin nga ako.
Ito dadalhin niyo. Yung kamayanap mo, ilamaw.
Dami.
Ilamaw.
Kanina yan. Oh.
Ilamaw. Wala namang kumakain dito.
McDonald's pa. Hindi mo talaga Snoop.
Kumain lang.